Well, welcome to another video. This is a quick walk around this 6-wheel drive Land Rover Perentie ambulance. Ex-Australian military. It has an Isuzu 4BD1T 3.9 litre turbo diesel engine. It's the same engine as the naturally aspirated partner, which is the 4BD1 that's in my 4-wheel drive Land Rover Perentie. This is set up as our personal camper with a few modifications. We're doing a quick walk around today because people keep asking. You can have a look in the back here. We won't go too in depth. My financial manager's hiding out in the back there with my apprentice deployed from the front. Fairly good. We were out here to do some filming for a solar eclipse, or a lunar eclipse rather. In any case, we're going to have a look at the interior. The interior on Perenties are fairly Spartan, although the 6-wheel drives actually have door skins where the 4-wheel drives do not. This has a different style of dash altogether. There's a 24 and 12 volt meter on the dash there. There's a roof hatch and a UHF CB. The roof box is specific to the ambulances, and I have a 4G modem in there. Red lights have been replaced for orange revolving lights to comply with road rules. There's a small antenna on the front, and we're going to go for a quick drive to show you how this would typically perform. The ambulance is considerably heavier than the 4x4. These are over 4 tons, around about 4.5 tons or a little bit less. And you can see here I hit a bit of the wrong line here and bellied it out. I had to reverse up and take another shot at it. But along with 6-wheel drive, you get centre diff lock. The 6-wheel drive is provided by a third drive shaft that comes off the PTO drive, separate from the rear drive axle. On the smooth roads, it's very good with the load-sharing rear suspension. It doesn't mind a little bit of mud. At some point, we'll put a snorkel on this. In any case, I hope you've enjoyed this quick little walk around. Hopefully it answers your question.